Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This week I'm going to be working with the Fragrant Layers bundle again. It's the stamp set and dies and you can get it as a bundle. And I am using, for this card, I used the Floral Charm Designer Series paper and doing kind of a scrap busting week. So I'll be using a variety of DSP this week, but after last week with using up some little tiny scraps of paper, I had a request to do a use your scraps week again. So here we are. So this is the die from the Fragrant Layers bundle. And then I've cut out the greeting with the die as well. So we've got a regular size card base, North American card base, and then I've got a 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 piece cut out. And then I am using my 4-inch strips that are left over when I cut my paper down. And so I've got, this one is Berry Burst. This one is a Mossy Meadow card base with Night of Navy. This is a Berry Burst with some Blackberry Bliss, and I've done the card front in the Berry Burst as well. So basically all you need is enough pieces, the right size, to make up kind of a 5 1/4 by 4. Sometimes it's a little bit more, sometimes it's a little bit less. And I was going to emboss this with a folder, but I've decided not to because I'm using this piece on the front. So we can just go ahead and take our 5 3/8 by 4 1/8 piece and we can just adhere that down. So we can go ahead and do that. I will be doing some cards with folders over scrappy pieces later in the week. But I thought for this one, I just wanted the detail of this folder on the front. And the greeting, "So happy from you," is from the Fragrant Layers as well. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start by laying these pieces down. Super narrow margin top and bottom. But we're just going to lay the pieces down just so we kind of know where to be starting and ending our pieces that we're gluing down. So it's going to look like this, and what I need to do is I'm just going to line all these up to make sure that I am adhering them down in a way that's going to give me equal edges at both ends. So I'm going to do this one here, and like that. Like this. And here we go. I'm just going to keep lining these up like this and making sure I've got the correct side up. Just double checking. I'm going to just line all of these up. There we go. And put our last strip down. And I did this die cut with an adhesive sheet on the back of the cardstock so that it's easy to adhere down. So all I'm going to do is peel the backing off. And hopefully it comes in one piece, and it didn't this time, but that's okay. So we're just going to lift up that edge. And there we go. I am using some off-brand adhesive backing because I've actually run out of my Stampin' Up, and the paper is much, much thinner, and the result is it tears. So there's a shout out for the Stampin' Up adhesive back sheets. So we're just going to pop this down in the middle. It might be a little bit of a challenge to figure out where the middle is if your strips are all different sizes. We're just going to give that a push down like that. And then I'm going to dimensionalize my greeting. And this one I did kind of the centerpiece just a little bit higher up, but I think it looks fine centered as well. So that gives you a couple of ideas of what it looks like. Okay, so we're just going to put our dimensionals down. And then we can add some bling, and I've got the natural matte dots is what I'm using for bling on this. So we're just going to just pop that across the bottom like that, overlapping the bottom a little bit, making sure I'm straight. Okay, and for this one, I'm actually going to use the white dots, and I'm going to pop one like that. And I'm using white just so it really kind of highlights them because the background is so many different colors. And I'm just going to pop one right in the middle like that. Okay, so that is our card. Super, super simple using up the scraps. This is our Mossy Meadow and Night of Navy version and our Berry Burst and Blackberry Bliss version. So I hope you like these versions of these cards using the Floral Charm Designer Series paper and the Fragrant Layers bundle. So stay tuned. We're going to be doing scrappy cards all week. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.